So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a mouse with me? Yeah, mice are so cute. Yeah, they're actually rodents, and they're very soft, but you probably don't want to touch them, unless it's your pet. Then you can. All right, so to draw a mouse, let's draw an upside down raindrop. So let's start with a point right here. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, that's gonna be the mouse's head. Okay, let's do a nice small circle right there and there for their small beady little eyes. And then let's draw a oval. There we go. And that's its body, just like that. And let's draw a circle right here, a circle right there. Yeah, and then those are the mice's hands. And then a small circle down here, small circle right there. And that, yeah, mice's feet. There we go. Perfect. And then what does every mouse have? On its back? Lower? Yeah, a tail. Whoa, wee. There we go. And then I'm actually gonna make it more detailed and go right next to it, just like that. There we go. Whoa! And then let's actually draw some whiskers with straight, long, curved lines. There we go. Perfect. Whoa, now that's a cool looking mouse. Then let's take some pink right here, and then there we go, on its snout. Whoa, and mice actually eat a lot of things. Yeah, plant and animal matter. That means it's an omnivore. So let's actually draw a piece of cheese. There we go, an upside down triangle, just like that. You can draw some circles in it. Whoa, doesn't that look yummy? I know. And how about on top of its head, right up here, 2 small little ears. Yeah, just kidding, they're big. Yeah, I said small, but they're actually massive. You know, mice have big ears. They could probably hear really well. There we go. Whoa, now is that a cute mouse or is that a cute mouse? I know. Wow, if you had a great time drawing a mouse with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!